So we're now going to put a different implement on the front loader on the tractor after we've taken the big bucket off. So we're putting the small bucket on, so you need to drive forward, line up the front prongs with your implement, exactly the same with the large bucket and small bucket and the forklifts. You can just see on the edge where it's got to line up to. It just literally clicks into place, falls into place. Bring it slightly upright and fully back. Make sure you got your handbrake on your tractor, then you can jump off safely. Come round. You've got your two safety handles here and here. Just push them back down. They'll lock into place, so the safety pin's locked in on both sides. And that's it, you're away to go.